Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this lovely lightweight lacy stitch, which is called the angled stitch, and this is from a book called Crochet Stitches, a visual encyclopedia which contains 300 stitches and designs for you to have a go at. Available on Amazon, and the link is in the description below. This is a book by Robin Chichula, and it has lots of pictures in of stitches, but I thought I'd give you a demonstration of this great stitch which you can use to make a scarf or a lightweight shawl. So that's done in Aran weight or worsted weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook. This next sample is done in lace weight yarn, which is obviously much lighter and fluffier, and this is done using a size 4mm crochet hook, and this is a yarn by Stylecraft and is called Charm, and the other is also Stylecraft yarn. So there you go, you can choose your own yarn, and I'll link to those yarns as well in the description. But now what I want to do is to take you through a short tutorial as to how to do the stitch itself. Now we start with multiple of 3 chain stitches. To do a chain, make a slip knot like so. I'll link also in the video to the basic stitch tutorials. Pop it on your hook and we're going to do the chain. So you'll need to know how to do a chain and hold the work. I hold it with the working yarn over my index finger. Support your work between your middle finger and your thumb, and then trap the working yarn under your last 2 fingers here. So we're going to start with our chain of a multiple of 3, and I'm going to do 21. So we do yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Move your thumb and middle finger up to support the work, that's 3. Yarn over, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there we have our chain of 21 stitches. And this first row is a setup row. So this is the foundation chain, and then we do a setup row, and then we start into the pattern, which is it's just a single row repeat. So it's actually very, very simple. So identify first of all this second stitch from the hook, which is this one here. I'll point at that with my hook. It's this one here, and you're going to make a single crochet stitch into this second chain. So to do a single crochet stitch, we insert our hook. I like to insert it in the V so that you've got 2 threads showing in your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through, single crochet. Then we're going to do 3 chain. You're going to do a lot of chain in this stitch, which is easy. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do a single crochet, another single crochet in this next stitch here. Push it through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. So there we have our first loop. Now we are going to skip the next chain here, and we're going to do a single crochet into this next the chain after. Let me just point that out again. Skip a chain, single crochet into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then attach the chain into the next stitch with a single crochet. Skip a stitch, single crochet, 3 chain, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain, skip a chain, single crochet into that chain, three chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain, skip a chain, single crochet in here, three chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain, skip a chain, another single crochet, three chain, single crochet, skip a chain, three chain, and a single crochet into the last space. Now here it's very difficult to get into that V, so don't struggle, just do it in the top loop, because very often you're going to weave in that very last, that starting thread here, this tail, you're going to weave it in, so you will hide this little knot that started off, the slip knot that started off your work. So this is our setup. What we have here is our single crochet at the start, 3 chain, single crochet, skip a stitch, 3 chain, single crochet, slip a chain, skip a chain, slip stitch. Oh, it's good, difficult to say. 3 chain, single crochet, skip, single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet, and repeat that to the end. So we have our nice loops. From there on in, we're just going to do a straight forward single row repeat. So how do we start this? So the first thing to do is to do a single chain and turn your work to the left. This is the reverse side. Although it looks pretty on both sides, this is technically the reverse. If you were making a cardigan, this would be the inside of your cardigan. So we're going to do this repeat. We're working all the time into this gap here, into the gap of the loops. And we do a single crochet. You'll get into the rhythm of this soon. Single crochet, 3 chain, and a single crochet into the same space, in the same loop, creating another loop on top. Then we want to go to this next loop here. We're going to do our single crochet, our 3 chain, and our single crochet again. So it's like a beginning single crochet and an ending single crochet. So this is the beginning one, single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, ending single crochet to create our loop. Single crochet in the next one, 3 chain, and another single crochet. So you can see it's very straightforward. You won't get lost once you get going. You won't get lost at remembering this. So this is a good project to have on the go, because you can pick it up, say you're waiting for a friend in a coffee shop, or you're on a bus or on a train. You can pick this up really quickly and not have to keep looking at a paper pattern or your phone for the pattern or this video. You can just simply memorize it or jot it down on a piece of paper, pop it in your purse, and there you have a really simple, straightforward but effective stitch for, I think, a lightweight scarf is the way forward with this one. And I would practice using some nice thick yarn like this first of all, because you can really see the formation of the stitches, and that's the important thing when you're starting out with a new stitch. You want to be able to see exactly how it works out. So I'm going to do one more row and we'll see what it compares with the examples I showed at the beginning. Single chain to start with, turn your work, and then remember, single crochet, 3 chain, single crochet in each loop. So here we go. Single crochet, 3 chain, 2, 3, single crochet. Tendency is want to do and to just repeat the single crochets and then the chains, but that's not how we go. We have to remember we're going to do 2 single crochet, 1 in one loop, 1 in the next loop, 1, 2, 3 into the same loop. We all have little quirks when we're doing crochet stitches, and I find I make the same mistakes quite frequently, and then I think, oh, I've got to rework out how to remember the stitches without looking at a pattern. 1, 2, 3. So to remember it, you could say it in 5. So that's 1 is the single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1 is the single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. End of the row, single chain, and then turn. So the back is as nice as the front. So here we have our emerging angled stitch. Or I could call it a loop stitch, and it works up very quickly, and that's the great thing about it. So for something, a quick gift, something you might do in a weekend, it's not going to take you very long to create a lovely scarf. You could change colour, in which case it's going to look something like that, which would also look very attractive. I've got another video about changing colour, which is how to change colour without it showing, but equally it works very well with just one solid colour. So there you have it. Take a look in the description below, and I've put the outline pattern in there, just the of the repeat row, but do have a look at Robin Chachula's book, because I think you'll find it really lovely. It's got some great granny square variations. That would be useful to do if you like doing granny squares. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.